Hi, friends. Welcome back. It is Wednesday, April 15th, halfway through April, which is so exciting. And I hope it is a beautiful day where you are today and it is not nasty outside like it was yesterday or 2 days ago. All right, we're going to jump right in. Where did the day? 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 All right, the word of the day is maximum. Listen to it in a sentence and see if you can figure out what it might mean. The car's maximum speed is 115 miles per hour, but I've only ever gone 65. Maximum. The car's maximum speed is 115 miles an hour, but I've only ever gone 65. What do you think maximum might mean? Think about it based on how the way it is used in the sentence. The car's maximum speed is 115 miles per hour, but I've only ever gone 65. So when I look at this sentence as a reader, I know that 115 is obviously a lot more than 65. And I'd guess that maximum might mean something like the fastest that it can go, because it's talking about a number that's so much bigger than 65, which is a more normal speed to drive. Maximum means as great, high, or intense as possible. So if you say, I had the maximum amount of fun at Sky Zone, that means you had the most fun ever, like that you could not have had any more. If you say um, that the maximum height to ride something at the fair is 5 feet tall, then you cannot go if you're any taller than 5 feet because the most you can be is 5 feet tall. So maximum means as great, high, or intense as possible. Also, if you can hear that banging, it is the construction going on below me, and I'm truly sorry if you have to listen to it too. All right, so maximum means as great, high, or intense as possible. Let's move on. Today, we are doing something really fun. It's kind of like, I don't know if you guys remember this, but when I was your age, we had something called Build-A-Bear. You could go to a factory and you could specify what color you wanted the bear and what you wanted their clothes to look like and what you wanted their face to look like. And you can make all these choices, and then they would put together a bear that was made just for you. And that's what we're going to do, except for a little less cozy, a little less snuggly. We're going to do that with sentences. So we spent a ton of time talking about different parts of speech. So we're going to do a rapid review, and review all these parts of speech. And then we're going to jump in, and you're going to be the artist, and you're going to be, or the conductor, or the author, whatever you want to refer to yourself as. And you're going to be writing awesome sentences. Okay, so let's review. What is a past tense verb? Now, when I ask these questions, I don't really want you to stare at the computer and wait for me to answer them. I want you to be saying it either in your head or out loud. So then when I say what the actual answer is, you can confirm, oh, I got it right, or say like, oops, I made a mistake. Let me figure out let me make sure that I remember what Ms. Cashin said. You can be taking notes on your paper as we go. What's a past tense verb? A past tense verb is something that a verb that already happened. The words that we can add are yesterday or already. And a past tense verb is something that already happened. For example, I scratched my head. It already happened. What's a present tense verb? A present tense verb is a verb that always happens. It's happening right now. And an example for that would be I scratch my face because it's talking about something I always do, or I am scratching my face. What's a future tense verb? It's a verb that will happen or is going to happen. For example, I am going to go for a walk later, or I will cook dinner tonight. Those are things that will happen in the future that they haven't happened yet. What is an irregular past tense verb? We've spent so much time on these. So see if you can come up with one and see if you can figure out why it's irregular. Remember, irregular means not normal, not regular. An irregular past tense verb is a verb where you can't just add ed. Examples are brought, taught, built, all of those words, hit that you can't just add ed to make it past tense. Those are irregular past tense verbs. And just to remind you, it's like all the words that we always see in the grid here at the bottom. It's something that you can't just smack ed on and call it a day. You have to actually think, what is this verb in the past tense? Cool. What are homophones? Homophones are two words that sound the same but have separate meanings. Examples are, see if you can pick up one in your head. One and one, by and by, um, would and would. All right, there are the words that have totally different meanings. They sound the same. You have to remember that. Don't use them incorrectly. Great. What is a proper noun? That is a specific person, place, or thing that answers the question which. For example, Boston, which answers the question Miss Catherine, which answers the question who is the best teacher, or what would be another example? iPhone, which answers the question which phone. Great. Plural. What does plural mean? The noun is plural means there's more than one, like things, and it's singular means just one. Great. So I would suggest if you get confused when you're doing the independent work, then I just back because I just wrote down every single thing that you might ask. So this is going to work is I'm going to give you three different things that you need to do in your class, and you're going to come up with one from your own brain and then write it if it makes sense. Okay. I'll show you what I mean. So in this sense, I need a past verb and a proper noun. Let me think. Well, I know past tense are things that have are verbs or actions that already have a proper noun is something specific. So I have a good one. Dad already ate my Easter eggs. Now I already have ate right here. And ate is a past tense verb. Also an irregular past tense verb, but that's okay. And I have a proper noun here because it's not just my eggs, my Easter eggs. That tells me specifically things to be my Easter eggs. I have my past tense. Check. And I have my proper noun. Check. All right. This one is asking for a homophone, future tense verb, and a singular noun. See. Homophone, future tense verb, singular noun. A homophone are things where two words sound the same but mean different things. Think of one of them. Let's see. The future tense that will have to be the future. Noun. That means there's only one. Okay. Let me think. Miss Dixon will a blue. Now that's a homophone because blue and blue, blue, B-L-U-E, mean sound the same mean things. And this is in the future tense because I have the word will and I know that those have not happened yet, but will happen. And there's a singular noun here because there's only one blue cake. There's, and I know if it's singular, there's only one. Plural, there's only one. Great. I want you to try this on your own. So you just have your paper and pencil with you as usual. You need a plural noun, present tense, and I'll give you a second. Just work on it by yourself, and then I will show you mine. All right. I need a plural noun, which means more than one, and a present tense, and a homophone, which means different word that's not the same. I'm going to say trees have, or always happens, brown wood. This makes sense because the trees is a plural noun. It's a present tense verb because I have it right now. And the homophone is would. Because would and W-O-U-D, like I would help you out. I can. So, all right. So this is a little less of a teaching lesson today and more of like a little quiz for you. Make sure that you can remember all these things. So if you got stuck, just come back to this video, look at all the answers that we figured out together. All right. Go to our regular past tense verbs. Remember, past tense verbs and irregular are all regular past tense verbs. Verbs where you can't just add ed. Okay, the past tense of know is new. It's not knowed, it's new. Somehow just new. I was writing skills on my desk. Past tense of leave is left. Miss Simpson was frustrated that I left my homework at home again. Past tense of lent, or when you let borrow something, is lent. Just guy lent me his comb when I needed to brush my hair for picture day. I don't brush my hair anymore. Past tense of lead is led. We are led team across the field. That's a little key. You do say it differently. LEAD is lead and LED is led. Essence of lake is lit. The sky was lit up before the fly. Past news is lost. Like Sophie lost her favorite hair tie, and past tense of make is made. Like Noemi made me a bracelet. All right. See if you can come up with a sentence for lend. Okay. Well, I know that the past tense of lend is lent. I'd say when Mr. Scott lent me his air freshener, I returned it. Essence of lend is not lended, it's lent. What's the past tense of lead? We went over this. Past tense of lead is led. For example, I led horse to the water to drink. Hang on. Yes. I'm trying to me. Sorry. I led my horse to the water to drink. Okay, cool. Now we're going to do our dictation. Go ahead and get your pencil and paper and your name and the date at the top, which is 4:15, and word study, and then we will jump in. Pencil and paper, dictation at the top. I couldn't see where the shark swam. I couldn't see where the shark swam. I couldn't see where the shark swam. All right, friends, I look forward to seeing your exit tickets. Have a great day.